Excuse me, guys. Today I'm going to be creating some jambalaya made with boiled chicken, cream of broccoli, the jambalaya mix, and some onions. Alright guys, the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to place 2 teaspoons of butter into a whole pot of water. And then we're going to actually place bouillon cubes in there. Okay guys, my chicken has come to a complete boil now, so I'm just gonna let it simmer, turn the stove off and let it simmer for a while, and then pour the water off. Alright, now I'm about to start my rice. This is the boiled chicken. Guys, we have 2.5 cups of water for each box. So I'm doing 2.5 cups. Alright guys, 2 boxes of the jambalaya seasonings is what I'm placing in the pot. Guys, now we're about to place the cream of broccoli in the bowl. 1 can. And a half a can of water. Guys, now I just mixed the half a can of water into the whole can of broccoli, cream of broccoli. Cream of broccoli in. So we're just waiting. Alright guys, now I'm actually just stirring in the chicken with the rice, and I'm gonna let it simmer up, and then I'm gonna pour my broccoli and cream of mushroom in here. Jambalaya.